Hello my friends, welcome. In this video we're discussing how to set up the Bloxlink on Discord. So go to the official site. As you can see, it's blox.link. Click on sign in with Discord. Of course, in here you will be prompted to enter your email and password. Okay, logging in now. So as you can see, Bloxlink wants to access your Discord account. Your username, avatar, blah blah blah. Authorize. Okay, it's fetching. Right, as you can see now we are successfully logged in our Bloxlink with our accounts, which is very cool. And now guys, you can basically go to your dashboard, and as you can see you need to get verified, of course, and you can find the perfect Roblox community for you. You can just browse the service, and of course you can manage servers in here as well, manage subscriptions as well. As you can see, server subscriptions, API subscriptions. You've got settings as well. You can delete your account if you want. You'll be also banned for 2 days. Interesting. So it's very easy. As you can see guys, just log in with your Discord account, email and password, logged in, done. Guys, enjoy the video, enjoy Bloxlink, enjoy this app, whatever this is. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.